After a long winter away from it, we are reunited with our ambulance, which we are converting into a tiny home on wheels. We've finally taken out all of the medical equipment, and we're ready to start putting our own materials in.
So we just went into town to get groceries. It's actually like almost 3 o'clock, and a couple changes have happened the past couple of days. So here we go. One, my hair is pink, as you can see. It's definitely not the color I want it to be, but who gives a shit? Secondly, we got flooring from a family friend. Gave us flooring actually for free, so we're super lucky because of that. So today we're going to be laying that floor, which is obviously exciting because our ambulance is going to start to look like, you know, start to become a home. So we're super pumped. It's another rainy day here in the Okanagan, but let's get started.
We are in the great city of Lumby, waiting for the computer store to open at noon so we can get our vent for the roof in our ambulance.
Nothing opens here until like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The sushi place doesn't open until 4. We were gonna get sushi.
Yeah.
But now we're just waiting outside of the shop because our vent is in there from Amazon. So
our vent is in there, and then I'm gonna go home, install it, while Rachel makes hummus. Alright, we're gonna look and see if all the flooring came up like it did in Rachel's dream. Nope, looks incredible.
It's beautiful. Oh my god, Nick, you did such a good job. This is so cool.
Oh yeah, the adhesive's really stuck too.
Nice.
Yeah, so that's just like, that's it. It's good to go.
Yes!
So I had to buy silicone adhesive to go in the cracks all the way along the outskirts of the van, which is like super overboard, but I really want to make sure that no water can seep underneath the flooring. So I'm putting lots of silicone adhesive all the way around, and I thought like 2 tubes would be enough, and it's not nearly enough. Just on the back of the van, I already used like 1.5 of those tubes, so probably have to spend quite a bit more money on more.
So that's fine, we're not worried about that, but
yeah,
just driving into town is a bit of an issue.
Yeah, we've already gone to town once today to get this stuff, and now we're gonna have to go back and do it again. And then I have to let it set for, I mean, at least overnight. I'll check it in the morning, but at least overnight. I might have to leave it for 24 hours. Just so I can't do the vent, so that, yeah.
Yeah, so that means we're not doing the vent today.
No, definitely not today.
Okay.
Definitely not today, and I'm hoping in the morning tomorrow it'll be fine.
Okay.
Definitely the outsides of the silicone will be dry, but I just want it to be dry all the way through.
Yeah, okay. cute was that vegan egg. I must say, I'm very, very proud of myself. I found that recipe. I'm gonna link it because if anyone is vegan and curious or just doesn't like eggs, but it tastes like eggs, so you have to kind of like eggs, but don't want to eat the egg, I don't know. I'm very proud of myself right now, so the morning is off to a great start. Nick is already working on the ambulance, so I'm going to go out and see what he's up to.
Oh, you f***ing kidding me? The drill just f***ing died.
Okay.
Oh my god. Stay right there, don't move.
Okay.
Don't move.
I'm not moving. Okay, so this is the deal. This is all cut now. Still haven't drilled this in because we're gonna insulate inside and then drill it on top. So I think that's the last thing that we're gonna do today, other than cut another piece of plywood just for this step here, because we're also gonna lay vinyl flooring there as well. In a weird way, it's like nice putting wood inside of this thing because it feels like it's beginning, you know? There's gonna be a lot more wood going inside this thing, but it feels good to start adding instead of just taking away now.
Feels more finished.
Yeah.
Nice.
The event is not happening today. It should be happening first thing tomorrow morning. Gonna finish that. Neighbors are coming over, so we're gonna be calling it a night pretty soon. We just found like the best video for the vent installation by Dual X. Thank you so much. You taught us everything that we needed to know. We subscribe to you. Just saying. I'm actually so happy we're doing this build after so many people so we can take inspiration from all the people who've done it better than us and before us. Thank you. So it's the next day. Basically, we went to go cut the hole in the van yesterday, or we're about to, and then it started pouring rain. Anyways, now we're at Rona, so we're just gonna get the rest of the stuff that we needed yesterday, and we're gonna go to town for. And now we're just getting all of our materials, making sure that we have everything so that tomorrow when we start working on it, or later today, we have it. And we don't have to keep running to town. It's so annoying. How many times do you think we've bought sealant in the past, like, week?
Like 3 or 4 probably. I keep underestimating how much we need. And I think at the time that I'm overestimating it.
So get 2 this time.
This one I legitimately, I'm just doing like 1 board.
Mark my words, because if we're going back to get sealant tomorrow, I'm telling on you. And the whole internet is gonna see. Or the part of the internet that actually watches the videos. It's time to cut this mop. Not mine.
My mom.
This mop. We have a bob.
We've got butyl tape all along in here, so that'll seal it. We've got it drilled into the roof. I've got sealant on top of these screws, and then I did another bead of sealant all the way around the outside. I mean, as far as I can tell, it looks pretty well sealed, so I'm gonna have to wait till it rains and then we'll see. But I think I did it.
Woo! What up? Chickadee-dee-dee! Yes, well that was a longer week than expected. Longer day and a longer week. It was just a crazy week, but we got some time in with family and friends, and we have a floor and a vent. Good job, babes. So it's looking pretty good. So the next steps, we're starting to get things in from Amazon. We keep having to go to town to go pick things up. We've got lights, we've got a shower, so we have a whole bunch of stuff coming up pretty soon. Next up, I think that we're gonna have to purchase solar panels, but that will be in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching.